आज का व्लॉग होगा a walking tour of the terminal T2 in Bengaluru at the airport, of course. So let's get this vlog started. Bengaluru T2 is a destination like never before. The new 255,000 square meter terminal is designed and built on key pillars that reflects Bengaluru's rich culture, history, its nature as the garden city and also the technology hub of India. It's spread over 4 levels and the terminal is built for seamless departures and easy arrivals that are facilitated at different floors. The first impressions of the terminal is truly how it has been envisioned. Envisioned as a terminal in a garden, this new addition to the Kempegowda International Airport, Bengaluru, is really transformative experience one can have. The greenery around is really captivating. It just truly lives up to the terminal in a garden vision that this airport has been built with. And trust me, it looks all the more beautiful in the night with all the lights lit up. I will add some videos from my previous visit at the end for you to have a look. But look at this space. There is ample space for all the cabs, personal cars to come, drop by, and then you make your way inside the terminal. There are a couple of restaurants and quick bite cafes that you will find around. As you get inside the terminal, it is a huge area that you're welcomed with. They have a lot of buggies also running around, so you could use them for your movement inside the terminal. This is just the gate where all the check-ins happen. They have some quick bite restaurants and cafes here also. They have self check-in counters as well as assisted check-in counters, so you could opt for either of them. But the space is huge. You can see it is not as crowded at as it should be because of the wide space that the terminal is able to accommodate a lot of people at one go. So this is the baggage drop area, which is again very well spaced out. Post baggage drop, we are heading now towards the security check-in. Again, you can see so many plants and it's just so beautiful. The light coming in, it's just making the place light up truly. You will find the number of retail shops here, from food, bags, watches, clothes, handicrafts, and a lot of restaurants. You name it, and you will have it here. It's like a full shopping experience that you can have here. Spend all the time that is left before boarding the flight exploring these shops. There are a lot of these showpieces that have been put across the terminal, which showcases the rich history of our country. In this terminal, I believe there's only one lounge, which is the 080 lounge. This is also another premium lounge where enough seating capacity has been given and the food options are great. A lot of variety. Not everything tastes at par, but there is a lot of variety for the food, breads, Indian breads, coffee, teas, soft drinks, juices, whatever you wish. There are a lot of these pastries, desserts out there. They have working pods where you can work at peace, and all these lounges pods where you can take a quick nap and just settle in and rest after a good lunch, dinner, or a snack. This is the international arrival area of the airport. It's here that you could do your immigration. You can see there's so many counters out there that can accommodate a lot of people who can just do their immigration at ease to avoid the queues, and it is very, very, very well maintained as well. And the folks at the immigration counter are very supportive, and they are talkative and nice. This is the Bengaluru duty free. After crossing the duty free, you come to these luggage belts and collect your luggage. Bengaluru airport has way too many options for anyone to go back to the city. They have a lot of cab options. Buses are going by, so you can choose from a plethora of options to go back into the city. They have a very dedicated zone for each type of cabs, for Ola, Uber, Blue Smart pickups, then the local pickups, then the bus. So everything is very well sorted. You just have to follow the boards and you will reach at the right destination. This is the domestic arrival area of the airport.